Okay, so good day, everyone. My name is Bodu Samuel, and I'm on group 80. And our topic was creating a complex formula. So, to begin with, I would like to thank everyone for joining me today on Camtasia. I'm excited to dive into the topic that's essential for both academic and real world problem solving, and that is creating complex formula. Okay, so with special focus on how to calculate percentage and percentage increase or decrease. Whether you are working on spreadsheets, analyzing data, or just trying to make sense of changes in numbers, understanding how to properly build and apply these formulas can make a big difference. So today we'll break it down from the basic to more advanced calculation and work through practical examples that you can apply in your everyday tasks. So let's get started and make percentage work for you, not against you. Okay, so to move on with our slides, that is creating complex formula. So that is creating complex formula. So moving on, that is basic percentage formula. So to calculate a simple percentage, we use the formula part divided by total. So for example, if sales are 250 and the target is 500, we divide 250 by 500 and that gives us 0.5, which is equal to 50%. So this method works for any situation where you need to find what portion one is another of. So to move on, let's get to the practical aspects, perform some calculations. And so with our example, he said sales. He said sales was 250. We said target. Target was also 500. So